What's happening? Mr. Dave here. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We had a great one, all except for the giant pile of dishes that was going on after all the people left. But that was okay because it was an awesome time. So much to be grateful for this year, 2024. But it is December 2nd, and I wanted to show you something. You can get my new book, Making Rocks, in paperback. It is the coolest thing ever, being able to look through the book and have pages and stuff that actually show you what it is all about, making fake rocks. And so get this for a gift for one of your friends. They're creative DIY people. It's really cool to be able to have a page and be able to look at stuff, and it's really just the whole collection of stuff I've learned over the years. So grab that at the link that's in this video description, if you would, for a Christmas gift for your DIY friends that want to make stuff like rocks. And then if you're interested in doing what you love for a living, I made a book on that too, and it's like 12 bucks or something, super cheap. But it really goes through the actual story of how I've been able to make two careers doing things I love to do. That is sand sculpture, which you see there, one of the giant castles I made there at the New York State Fair, and then shifting over to fake rocks. So make a living, do what you love. Make sure you get a book for your friends or yourself, Making Rocks, a paperback at Amazon.com. And so I'm really stoked. My son Michael helped me do that. You can also learn about making slides, how to make concrete slides, pool slides, all that's about. So little commercial, little shameless plug, and for you guys this early December. So it's December 2. Grab a copy. It'll get to you before Christmas, I'm pretty confident I can say, and it would help me out, help me keep making stuff. So have a great day. Hope again you had a good Thanksgiving, and there's so much to be thankful for. So find something and just think about that. All right, we'll see you on the rock pile or wherever in the future. Have a great one. God bless. Bye.